Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram group chat profile picture. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The latest Instagram feature is here, and the app has just rolled out group profiles, offering plenty of new opportunities for users like you to grow and thrive online. Similar to group feature available on other social media platforms, Instagram group profiles allow for incredible collaboration and account growth. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create a group chat on Instagram and also how to add member and change the group chat name. Now, what if you want to change for your group Instagram group profile picture? It's very simple. So you can follow this step by step in this video. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your group by tap on the upper right corner. You can go to the M section. Choose on your group that you want to change the image, the profile picture. Click on change name and image, or you can open the group chat info first. Click on here, change name and image. You can choose in here. Instagram gives you like this, like emojis that you can choose for that you can use for your Instagram, or you can just click on plus icon if you want to use the emoticons for your Instagram profile, or you can choose from your gallery. You can choose picture or take photo. For example, we choose from my gallery. For example, maybe I will choose for this picture. Now you can just tap on next. Again. So here's the new profile picture. Now you can just tap on done. So we can refresh, and now here's your new profile picture on your group. So simple, right? So that is how to change Instagram chat profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.